Hello and welcome to the second section of the introduction. So as at this section, we'll be looking at the upper tab. The upper tab of this section, that's what we are going to look into. So if you look at your screen, up where you have the plus sign. The plus sign is to add text, date. If you want to add like a current date, like today's date, click on it. You see it's going to add today's date on it. If you want to add stickers, you can come down and you pick stickers. If it is stickers you want to add. Then if you want to add shapes, you see you have all type of shapes that you want to use. If it is from gallery you want to add, that is, you want to add pictures from your gallery, you use that. You see, if you want to add from your gallery. And also if you want to draw freehand sketching, then you can also draw. That's what the plus sign is for. Now if you are moving from your left to right, this space that look like an SD card, that's this, that is for save. Why this is plus to add things, that is for save. Save is practically used if you want to save as a project or save as an image. There's a reason for the two. Now if you are saving as a project, when you save it as a project, you'll be able to come back and work on that on your job. But when you save as image, you can't come back and work on it because it's already saved as an image, so you can't rework on it. So when you save as a project, it is being saved for you as a file. While the share button also, you can also use it to save, but I advise anytime you are saving, when you come to dimension, always save in ultra. Ultra gives you the best quality. You can leave every other thing as the same. JPEG, no transparency, and PNG. Those ones are different formats of saving that we are going to look into. This other point you have here, which happens to be this exclamation mark that is here, is used to bring in a quote in a quote. There are some quotes that are in the app, that comes with the app. You can use it to insert quote. Like this quote here is called, "Many are called, but few are chosen." So that's what that does. And this three dotted line you have up here, this three dotted line, the three dotted line there is basically used for, if you see, use image for gallery, full screen, use image as from camera, that's where you are bringing image from your camera, export image, that is saving your image. If you want to resize your image, tutorial, remove art, recover autosave, open PLP files. Open PLP files is used to open your already saved files. If you look at this now, these are files I've already worked on and I've saved. So that's to use to save files. Then also, if you look down at this particular point, we have this dotted line here. We have this in there. That one is practically meant for if you want to copy, resize. It's just a shortcut. Move front, move back, reshape. That's what that is for. And this one is meant for going back. That is to undo anything you have done. That's what this arrow is for. This arrow is meant to undo. When you click on it, everything you did before will go off the screen. Now if you look at this sign, that plus that is inside a hand lens, that plus is meant to zoom in. If you are working on something, you are not seeing it clearly, you can use it to zoom in and zoom out. After you have zoomed, you touch it and it will fix it at that position. While this other three dotted line, this box is actually meant for your ruler. It's meant for aligning. You see, when you bring it up, you can move it so that you can align objects that you have either to the left or to the right. It's basically meant to align objects. So the last but not the least, we have at the upper screen, this one is is actually meant is actually meant for is meant for basically to check the objects you have used, all of them. Either you want to realign them. Let us add a lot of things into it and let's see. Let me show you what that does. Let me show you what that does. You see? Now, when you do this, now when you click on that object, you see, you can use it to move this or use it to lock objects to your screen. When you lock them, they don't move again. You can't move them. So that's actually meant for locking objects. So in our next class, we'll continue on how to use Pixellab to design. We are going to look at how we can use Pixellab to design your own branded name as a logo. Thank you.